Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, I want to go over a brand new product to the industry. It's a carbon fiber frame folding electric wheelchair. It's called the Matrix Ultra 2. Now there is an original Matrix Ultra. This is a newer edition, so the design's a little bit different, but it does support 330 pounds of weight. Once you remove the battery, it weighs 35 pounds. It's airline approved with the battery. It has about 11-mile battery range. There's multiple color choices, and it's a really nice chair. You're gonna see lots of carbon fiber folding electric wheelchairs on the market. There's a lot of them popping up from different brands, but this chair is really nice, and I've been testing it out a lot today. So let's show you some more about the Matrix Ultra 2. So I'll show you on the back here. We'll start here. We've got two motors, and with these motors, they're in the power position, so they're pressed forward, or the drive position. So if you press these down, now it's in manual, and you can push it. Right now you're going to see an error code 2, kind of hard to see here, but error code 2. The really great thing about this joystick is that it has these diagnostic codes. So if something, whatever the error code is here, if you look in the manual, it'll tell you what's wrong with it and if you can resolve it. A lot of these issues you can resolve. So if I power this off with an in manual mode, now I can push it like a manual wheelchair. Just keep in mind when you cannot operate the chair when you have it in this manual mode. So if I put these back down into drive and I power this back on, now I can operate the joystick and use the chair. Tires are also flat free tires. There's no air in these. Now, as far as the joystick, really nice joystick. You have your speedometer. It is in kilometers. This is your speed control. It says gear 5. We're in the top speed right now, but you can decrease the speed pressing these minus signs or plus sign to get it to the top speed. This is your odometer, and here's your battery life. These arrow buttons don't serve a purpose, but this is the horn. Sounds like a car horn, really nice. Charging the battery, you can charge it right here directly on the joystick, or you can also charge your cell phone through the USB charging port. So I really like that. Now the joystick is easy to remove, so when you're traveling with this chair, you don't want to get this joystick banged up. So whether you're flying with an airline or you're just putting it in the back of your car, it's probably a good idea to take this off, which is super easy to do. So you can take this off. You can also adjust the length of this. You can see it was easy to put back on. Now, if you are left-handed, it's also easy to put on the left side. So you just unhook where the joystick is, obviously, and then this wiring would have to go on this side. You take this cap off and put the joystick on here, so super easy to do. Battery is located right here. So when you fly with this, you have to take this off and carry it on. You can also charge it directly on the battery. So if you didn't want to bring the whole chair in your house, you can just remove the battery and charge this. And then when you put it back on here, you can see these tracks here. You just have to line this up and slide it on. You'll hear it snap. Now it's connected back into place. You also have a large storage area underneath here. It is open and exposed. So when you fold this, you got to be mindful of that and remove everything out of here. This is what comes with it. You got a manual. These are all the tools that you might need to tighten things. Here's your charger. Here's your attendant remote that comes with this. This is really nice. I'm going to show you this. So just want to let you know, when you purchase a product that is from the Discover Your Mobility brand, you get a lot of free stuff. I'm going to go over what you get. So you get an umbrella, which you can clamp to the product, give you some shade. You get touch-up paint in case you scratch it. You get an arm bag holder that goes in the armrest. You get a cup holder. Now this is a cup holder that you would use for a mobility scooter. This is the one you would use for an electric wheelchair. You also get a cane holder. You get a safety flag. You get an oxygen tank holder. You get a car charger, so you can charge the unit in your car. You get an LED horn flash, so it's a horn and a flashlight, and you get a cover. So all of this comes for free with any Discover Your Mobility product. So back to the video. So this comes standard with the chair. So this is what it looks like, and in order to connect this, you have to turn this on first. All right, so I'm going to turn on the remote or the joystick, and then if I press this power button, you'll see a little Bluetooth symbol pop up. You can see it right there. That means that this is connected. So now I can control this from the joystick. I like this if you're a caretaker, and you can talk to the person you're controlling, stand beside them and conversate. You can stand in front of them and back up. You have that face-to-face interaction. So that's much better than a traditional attendant controller, which is mounted to the back here. So usually the joystick would be mounted back here, and then you control it from here. But you never see the person, so now you can look them in the face. You can also lock this. So if I press this lock button, you'll see that it's kind of hard to see, but there is a little lock here that shows up. And when I do this, it's like an anti-theft button. So now you can't operate the chair. In order to get out of that mode, you just press this unlock button. Now back to these armrests, I'll show you another thing. Would you like a free mobility scooter? We're actually giving one away. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then also comment on any video. And once you've done those two things, you'll be entered into the drawing for our next scooter giveaway. We are doing this monthly, and we will announce the winner on social media. So what do you have to lose? So these do flip up. You have to flip these levers up like that. And this flips up for easy transfers in and out of the seat. When you put the armrest down, you have to flip these levers back down so it's locked into place. On the seat cushion, it's removable. And then you can see these straps here. These are adjustable. They're Velcro straps, so you can make this more firm or more loose, depending on your preference. I think that is a nice feature. The back is a mesh back that's contoured, so it's kind of like a computer chair. Also in the front, we have some spring suspension here on these front wheels. Give you a little bit of give. Flip up the foot plate. And I'll show you how to fold this. I think I've covered just about everything on this chair. Hey, just wanted to interrupt real quick. We do have a catalog of all of our top sellers. It's not all of our products, but a lot of our top selling products. And if you'd like a copy of this, all you need to do is call us, provide your information, and it takes about 10 days to get to you. Or alternatively, you can just go to the top of our website, click on free catalog, fill out your information, and we'll get it submitted. Now back to the video. So in order to fold this, all you have to do is, the first thing is I'm going to flip up the foot plate. And then after that, I'm going to push this down, and that's how you fold it. So now you can stand it up. Doesn't take up much space. Compact design. Really lightweight. This is a great solution for somebody that's active and on the go and doesn't want a heavy 50-pound electric wheelchair that folds. This is a great option. And the fact that it holds 330 pounds of weight is excellent. So really like this chair. I'll show you how to unfold it. Super easy. You can actually do it with one hand if you wanted to. I can just grab it here and just unfold it. So I'll put this stuff back in here. So if you want to learn more about the Matrix Ultra 2, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is at the bottom of the screen. It's 1-800-682-9444, or you can just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate your support. Have an awesome day.